Hello, hope you are well. This is In the Process with Anthony Sipes. And today I want to go over with you, I want to share with you my personal list that I have. I have kind of like a grocery store list uh, of how I plan on creating multiple streams of income. Some of the things I've learned a little bit about over the years, but I have basically set them aside and I've kind of put my timeline, my priority on them so that I can keep them in check. And um, I want to make sure that I do not do anything that's down the list before I start tackling something else. Okay. So let's go over it. Number one, continue to pay off bad debt. That's bad consumer debt. Okay. Like loans, credit cards, things that I don't need, that are tying up money that I could be using towards other projects on this list. Now, this is not my number one. Continue to pay off bad debt is not a project. It is very important. It's very crucial for freeing up money that I can use for funding these other starting projects. All right. So, number two is go ahead and continue to build this YouTube channel. Go ahead and my videos are still not well right now. They're not that great, but I'm going to continue to learn. I've got a course that I had purchased long ago, and I'm going to continue to learn, and I'm going to continue to build this channel till I start getting smooth and I start getting well. So that's a source of income. Okay, is YouTube. Number three, learn. I've got my list there. If you're wondering why I'm looking to the side, got my list right next to my camera. And number three is learn the affiliate marketing and practice it. And that's something I can also start now. Okay, my YouTube, I've already got that. I'm working on that now. Continue to pay off bad debt right now. And affiliate marketing, I can learn and practice that now. In fact, that's something, and I plan on with affiliate marketing is only promoting products and services that I actually use, that I actually believe in, because I want to develop an integrity with my followers. I want to be able to I want to be able to represent myself well and not look like a scammer or look like somebody that's just out to make a buck. All right, I already have a good job, so I'm making real good money at my job, but that's not where I want to stay. I want to have integrity and build a business with integrity. So, and affiliate marketing is something I can incorporate into the YouTube channel. So, all right, so those work well together. All three of those so far. All right, now number four I am already doing. And number four is I can continue to contribute money each month into Fundrise. Fundrise is a crowdfund real estate. It's like a REIT, but it's an e-REIT. It's basically online, and it's crowdfunding real estate investment. Okay, so the thing about it, and I've already been doing it, and I'm going to continue to do it. Yeah, I only put in what I'm willing to lose. But the thing about it is, with crowdfunding real estate, typically you're not going to see any returns, or you're not going to be able to pull any returns out for at least 5 years. And that's for good reason, because if this company has people dumping their money into to invest in the company, and then everyone, just because they have a little emergency, they're constantly pulling their money out, Well, this company Fundrise or any other, there's several of them, but Fundrise will not be able to stay. Uh, they won't be able to stay funded properly. It's when you're trying to purchase new projects to make more money for your investors, but your investors are pulling money out. It's hard to do business like that. So they're trying to create a community of investors that are successful. So so something like Fundrise is, and I'll probably put my link down below, but I'm using it and it's something, and I am getting a return. I haven't pulled anything out, okay, and I reinvest my dividends with it, so all right, so that's something that if you're gonna do something like that, Fundrise, you want to be willing to leave your money in there for 5 years at least, and don't do more than you can afford to lose. All right, so number five, I'm going to rejoin a company in October, a company that I was in, and we marketed precious metals or silver. So it's something that's congruent with the others. It's money. It's something that's valuable. It's something that I can hold on to. It's a good hedge against inflation. So that's one thing I'm working on, but I can start that in October. I'm already investing right now into the real estate. So number six. Now, number six is about a year from now. My timeline is, if I get all these going, okay, then a year from now, I plan on writing a book on all the things that I've learned and actually put into practice, and creating a stream of income for me. Things that the hard lessons that I've learned in life, and encouragement and things like that. So I plan on writing a book, and they're just going to be on my experiences, nobody else's. And the cool thing is a book can generate leads. A book can strike interest from the readers into what you're doing. So it's something that I could funnel, leads into my silver business, into my affiliate marketing, all that stuff. So it's also will create followers on YouTube, which is another stream of income. So I built this list, as you can see, where everything works together. All right, everything works together. There's nothing that really conflicts each other. Number seven, add to the book. Number seven is, this is my time. Number seven is finance my first multifamily property for rental investment. Now that's the big one. That's my biggest right now. And I want to have that eventually, a multifamily, okay? Not single family rental, but a multifamily. And that timeline is like 2 years up to 5 years from now. Maybe by 5 years from now, I want to start developing enough money where I can afford to go ahead and start investing in a multifamily property, right, for rental. And then I will probably hire a management company to manage it for me, and they'll take their percentage out. And then, they will take care of the maintenance and the collecting the rent and everything, and then I will be, left with what's left over. But I can use that to stick back and reinvest into another property. So that's my long-term guideline. I got those 7 steps there for my plans for multiple streams of income. And I encourage you to make your own list. What kind of things are you interested in doing? You may be interested in selling makeup. You may be interested in writing a book. You may be interested in any number of things, or a lot of different opportunities for us out there. So I hope this helps, and you have a good evening. Thanks for listening.